Why do you feel exhausted today, even though you barely did anything? Because your body may be sitting still, but your brain may be leaking energy all day. Sometimes sitting still can consume more energy than running, especially when your brain is constantly taking a decision-making exam. Let's look at that together. Your mind often does this without you realizing it. You read an email 7 times before sending it. You spend minutes thinking about what to reply to a message. Even deciding what to eat for lunch becomes bigger than it needs to be. From the outside, these look like small decisions, but your brain may not process them as small decisions. It feels as if every choice becomes a test. What if I make the wrong decision? What if I look inadequate? What if I choose the worse option instead of the better one? This is where the real exhaustion begins, because the issue is not just making decisions. It is trying to prove yourself inside every decision. And if you were constantly criticized for your decisions, making choices may genuinely feel difficult now. Today, I want to look at this from the perspective of physical capacity, because as human beings, we are limited capacity creatures. Your body has a capacity. Your mind has a capacity. We all have a daily energy tank. And this tank does not only empty when you walk or work, it also empties when you think. Imagine there is an energy bar on the screen for your day. You start the morning with 100 units of energy, thinking over and over before sending one email. 10 units. Getting stuck on a simple message because you think, what if I'm misunderstood? 15 units. Struggling even at lunch because you feel you must make the right choice. 10 units. Finishing a task, but going back again to check if it was good enough. 20 units. And before the day is even over, your battery is already half empty. To help you understand why your battery drains so fast, I prepared a special awareness exercise for you. You can download it for free from the link in the description and start using it right away. If you want to understand how to manage your physical and mental energy more wisely, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now let's look at the real enemy of this battery, the fear of making a mistake. There may be no big physical effort happening. That is why you may get angry at yourself. What did I even do today to feel this tired? But the problem may not be laziness. The problem may be that your brain perceives every small decision as a threat, because some people are not afraid of making decisions. They are afraid of what the wrong decision might say about them. A wrong email is not just a wrong email. It turns into the fear of, am I incompetent? An incomplete answer is not just an incomplete answer. It turns into the anxiety of, am I not good enough? A simple choice is not just a choice. It turns into the pressure of, I have to prove that I am the right kind of person. Now I want to give you a small test. Recently, when making a simple decision, did you ask yourself this? Am I thinking about this because I truly want to choose it? Or am I this tense because I don't want to look wrong? If your answer is the second one, what you are experiencing may not only be decision fatigue, it may be a sign that you have tied your self-worth to the perfection of your decisions. In other words, you feel valuable when you make the right decision, because sometimes perfectionism is not about wanting to be better. It is about not being able to tolerate yourself when you make a mistake. And that is exhausting, because every decision turns into a performance test. What you eat, what you write, what you wear, when you reply, all of it grows inside your mind. Decisions that feel small to other people may feel very big and exhausting to you, but a person who values themselves learns to say, I do not have to make every decision perfectly. If I make the wrong choice, I do not become worthless. If something is good enough, I can leave it there. I do not want to make mistakes, but if I do, I can take responsibility for them. I do not have to check everything again and again, because sometimes good enough really is enough. And protecting your energy is also part of valuing yourself. A person who values themselves does not spend all their mental energy on every small decision. They make some decisions faster. They send messages without making them bigger than they are. They can say, I do not need to think this much, because they know that small mistakes do not define their entire character. Not every decision determines who you are. Some decisions are just decisions. Try this today. When an unimportant decision comes up, ask yourself only this. Does this decision really affect my life? Or am I trying to prove my worth again? If it does not affect your life, choose what is good enough and move on. Because sometimes freedom does not begin with finding the perfect decision. It begins with learning to keep small decisions small.